This right here, just fine. Home from work, we're gonna make the viral pickled dip because I need to have it. But I will say that this is gonna disappoint you because my grocery store only had the little baby ones, but we're not gonna worry about it, okay? I'm gonna do some whipped cream cheese, okay? I'm gonna just get these little numbers out, chop them up. I don't know. I feel like you want them kind of small, but also I'm hungry, okay? Did y'all have a fabulous day? Because I did. It was a good day. We did a fun little activity with Wuthering Heights. And my students, okay, I think they loved it. They may not have said they loved it, but I think they loved it, okay? Okay, this is gonna take a minute. Hold on. I took the big old bay leaf out. I don't know if that's a bay leaf, but I dropped my yogurt that I got. I was gonna do mayo, but then I said, you know what? My kids are gonna eat this. Let's give them a little bit of health, you know? If it were for me, I probably would just do mayo, but whatever. White pepper, garlic powder, ooh, onion powder. Ooh, I wish I could do raw onion in this. Cheddar cheese. I'm not measuring anything. All right, let's fill up this little puny thing, tiny. What are you gonna do with that? I don't think this needs any salt. And that's saying a lot coming from me, you know? The viral pickle dip, yeah. The best crackers of all time. All right, Chicken and Biscuit, you need to sponsor me, okay? Because I've been buying your biscuits, your chicken biscuits, since I came out of the womb, basically. Let's go ahead and just double this up. Okay. These crackers may be a little too flavorful for this. Oh, this is good though. Okay. If this were all for me, I would put bulldog all in it, but it's not all for me. So I'm gonna do one more bite. I'm gonna call the kids. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. My counter's clean. I promise, it really is.